Guys, this is Emmanuel. Today we're gonna change the chip knob and the chip boot for my Corolla. Let's do it. Okay guys, this is the chip boot and chip knob that I have. If you wanna see how I did this, the link is gonna be over there on the top of the video, alright? But this one, I'm gonna change it to a new one, alright? So first, let's remove this chip knob and chip boot, and after that we will see the new boot and chip knob that I have, alright? So let's remove this one first. Alright guys, this is what I just removed from the car, and my old chip knob and the chip. Alright, so this one, the chip knob, I don't need this one anymore. I really like this one, but the problem is that it faded. The color was very nice of this one, but the blue faded. I really like this one a lot. Alright, it's time for a new one. So that one is gone. This one is the trim. I don't need it right now. And this is where the chip knob is together. This one has a clip here. Let's see if you can see it there. Has a clip right there. Let me see, and has another one here. Has 3 clips. 1, 2, 3. Okay, now that it's removed, this is the old chip boot. I'm gonna put that over there, this thing over there, and this is my new chip boot. Let me show you. So this is the one I got. This is the bright chip boot, like this. It has a red stitching here, but it's okay. I'm gonna put it I think facing the front so it won't show. If not, it's okay. I'll just put it like that. So it's gonna be like this. Like this. Ooh. I like it. Yes. Can see it. And the chip knob is this one. Let me open it. Cool. Have a white one. Like this. And it has the adapters. This one is universal and it will work for multiple stick chips, okay? This is universal. And this one I'm gonna stick a TRD decal on the top, so it's gonna look like a with a TRD. I don't know if I put if I should put like a black TRD or red. But I don't think red it will look good because my interior is blue. So I'm thinking of getting the TRD decal in the top here. So I'm gonna cut it with the plotter and put the TRD here, decal. And now the next step, this is the hardest part, is to put it inside this. The only thing is that I have to glue it here. Cool. So let's cut it first and then put it inside the glue it to this thing. Okay, let's do that next. Okay guys, I have a small problem. The chip boot is kinda big. When I'm trying to put it here, like this. Okay, like this. It has all this thing extra. You can see it here. That's the plastic, and all this piece is extra, and it's harder to put it like this. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna try to do it. I'm gonna sew it with a little bit of white. I'm gonna sew it here from the back. I already turned it to the back side, alright? So I'm gonna sew it by hand here to here, and then I'm gonna turn it so it's gonna make it smaller. Alright? I hope this will work. I hope I don't mess it up. The good thing with this one, if it's not good, I can cut it and remove it. Okay, so let me try to do this. I don't know if I can do it. Okay, let's do it. Let's do this. All right. Please don't judge me. It's not perfect, but if I turn it, let me see. Yes. Look. So the good thing, this is gonna hide, alright? The thing. You can see it. Even if it's not perfect, it looks beautiful. You can see it right there. This is my stitching. This is the original. Yeah, this is better, but mine, it's alright. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna cut it in here. I don't mess it up. Yeah. Right, the next step is to glue this one. Alright guys, 2 hours later. I got this glue, the Gorilla glue, but this one doesn't work because this one is like it dries in 2 hours. You need something that dries faster. So I got this super glue. So get super glue to glue the shift knob, chip boot on this thing. Okay, so we're gonna use this glue for this one. Let's do it. Alright guys, now it's finished. You can see it here, how it looks. Looks great. So now let's put it on the car. So in here has a little bit of gap, so I added a small piece inside there, so to keep the dust from getting inside of the dash. So I added a little piece in there because this one is thicker, so it pushes the plastic in here. It makes like a gap and like a breach. all right. So now let's put it back on the car. Let's see how it looks. I put the chip knob. All right, guys, we're ready to put the boot and the chip knob back. So this is the chip boot with the plastic piece. So first thing, it has 4 clips. Has to be there on the clips. So let's put this one here first. So now let's put this one. Remember, it has this first. It goes first like this. Okay. Clean. And the chip knob. This is the chip knob that I have. It's a white one. And I already added the adapter, okay? It comes with different adapters, so put the one that it will fit your car. This one is the, I think, 1.8 or something. I will put the size in there, alright? So this one, this looks cool. I like it. So it looks like a manual, manual stick shift. Right, and then that. That's cool. Now let's put I have a decal. I don't know if you can see it. TRD. This is a 1 inch and a quarter size. I made this myself, so I don't know if I think somebody should sell it online. Okay, but if you get it by 1 inch and a quarter, or you can get it at 1 inch. All right. That's cool. Love it. All right. Whew. Okay, let me show you how it looks. Okay guys, that's the new chip knob and chip boot. It looks great, and I changed it because the old one, the blue one, with the new wrap, it didn't match that good, so that's why I changed it to this color. I think this one looks better. Let me know what you guys think. Put in the comments. The link is gonna be on the description of the video. Alright? Like the video if you like this video. Subscribe for more videos like this one. And see you on the next video.